Hey there, wonderful people. Today, we're exploring the top 5 best rework soldering stations to help you find the perfect fit for your needs. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional looking for reliable tools, these picks are designed to make your soldering tasks easier and more efficient. Remember, all the product links are available in the description below for you to check out. This list has been crafted based on ratings, reviews, orders, price, quality, durability, and more, ensuring you get the best options on the market. Number 5, we have the Kaisi Sugan A9 Rework Soldering Station, an intelligent and versatile tool that's compatible with T115, T210, and T245 handles, as well as JBC soldering tips. With a power output of 120 watts and a temperature range of 100 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius, it provides fast and precise heating. The station features an innovative sleep mode where the handle's dormant metal ring automatically activates when placed in the stand, conserving energy and enhancing safety. The chip program temperature control ensures accuracy, while the package includes 3 different soldering tips, ideal for various tasks. Lightweight and compact, this station is perfect for professionals seeking efficiency and reliability in their soldering projects. Number 4, the YIHUA YH995D plus Rework Soldering Station brings advanced functionality and user-friendly design. This station features a powerful brushless fan for smooth air delivery and precise temperature control. The LCD display offers a clear view of settings, while its robust build and 3.5 kilograms weight ensure stability during use. With customizable options like different soldering iron stands, this product adapts to your preferences. The station is designed for long-term use with durability and precision, making it an excellent choice for anyone in need of a high-performing, reliable soldering tool. Whether you're repairing electronics or working on intricate projects, this station delivers excellent results. Number 3 is the AFEN A9 Plus Rework Soldering Station, a powerful and versatile tool designed for universal voltage input and compatibility with various soldering tips, including 210, 115, 245, and 470 models. With a maximum power output of 120 watts and a wide temperature range of 100 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius, it heats quickly and maintains consistent performance. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable use, while the durable construction makes it suitable for both professionals and hobbyists. The A9 Plus is an excellent choice for tackling complex soldering tasks with precision and efficiency. Whether you're working on fine electronics or larger projects, this soldering station provides the flexibility and control you need. Number 2, the FNIRSI DWS200 Rework Soldering Station is a compact yet powerful option with a peak power of 200 watts and a temperature range of 100 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius. Equipped with a 2.8-inch TFT screen, it provides a clear and intuitive interface for setting and monitoring temperatures. Its lightweight design, weighing only 475 grams for the host unit, makes it portable without compromising performance. The DWS200 supports universal input voltage and is compatible with F210 and F245 handles, making it a versatile choice for various applications. With its precise control and efficient heating, this soldering station is perfect for professionals seeking a balance of power, portability, and performance. Finally, at the top of the list, we have the Silverflow 8586D2 Rework Soldering Station, a versatile powerhouse with a rated power of 750 watts. This station combines a hot air rework station with a soldering station, offering temperature ranges of 100 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius for hot air and 200 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius for soldering. Featuring a brushless blower for smooth air delivery and digital temperature calibration for precise adjustments, it's perfect for handling a wide variety of tasks. The LED Nixie tube display ensures clear visibility of settings, while its 10-minute sleep mode adds safety and energy efficiency. Durable, reliable, and packed with features, the 8586D2 is a top choice for anyone looking to invest in a high-quality rework soldering station. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews on the latest products.